Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video, and we're going to be testing out some Tarte products. One of my lovely, wonderful subscribers sent me a whole order of Tarte products, and I am so excited. We're not going to try them all because we're going to try the foundation, but I don't want to use those because I want to test it with the stuff I normally use, and then next time we'll try it. We'll try these two. So, anyways, we're going to be testing the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation. I know this is not a new one, but I heard great things about this one. My color is 22G Light Golden. Let's get started. I've already done my base with the TikTok method, where I put on my CeraVe moisturizer, my powder, then I spray it with the Urban Decay all-nighter, and that's where we are. So now I'm going to put on my primer. I'm going to use the same primer I've been using with all my other ones, the Tarte Base Tape. It says that it is what it does. Medium coverage with a naturally radiant finish. Provides powerful antioxidant protection and pollution defense with marine plant extracts. Water-based formula provides gentle yet powerful coverage. Helps prevent signs of aging. And no chemical sunscreen ingredient. And it says how to use. It says drop product directly onto face or back of hand and buff into skin with using a sponge. So I'm just going to put it on with my finger, and then we're going to spread it out with a sponge. I don't want to leave those on. So let's get into it. Let's shake it up a little bit. And then I'll just put some like this. This is what I used to do with the Catrice one. And then I'm going to spread it out with my finger a little bit. I used to always spread it out with a brush and then buff it in. But I'm trying to do what they said. So we'll see. I'll probably go back to my old method with using everything in my arsenal. It's kind of yellow, huh? That's okay. I'm kind of yellow. And I'm sure it's only a medium coverage, so it'll buff out. And go in with my sponge. It doesn't say that it's buildable, which I thought was kind of strange, but we'll see how much coverage we get out of it. And then we'll see if we even need to build it. It looks good. It did look yellow, but it looks pretty good. It's a little bit yellow against my neck, I guess, but I still have to powder it, and that usually takes down a lot of the color. Okay, let's go in with our concealer. We're using the Pat McGrath. Kind of distracted this morning. I am in a hurry. Actually, I don't know why. I'm really ahead of schedule for me. I already made all my juice. And now I'm actually making this video. How'd you guys like my Saturday video? The pizza twists. That's a new thing for me. But I'm thinking maybe if I do those, my numbers will go up a little and it can bankroll my makeup video. I like those kind of videos whenever I see them on, I think it's on Facebook that I normally see them, but I don't know how to put it on Facebook. But anyways, that was my first one, so they're gonna get better. And I plan on doing one of those once a week. And hopefully they'll go crazy, because I watched a few of them and they have like millions of views. So I thought, well, I can make that. I can make that, and that can make my numbers go up good enough to keep me on this channel. I mean, keep me being able to do makeup, which is what I really like to do. I like to do it much better than cooking. We're going to do our powder now. And I'm using my Bye Bye Pores from IT Cosmetics. I'm not very... So far, I really like it. Yep, I think it's beautiful. One of the girls I watch on Instagram, Amber Massey, she said this was her all-time favorite. And so I thought, oh my gosh, and I haven't even tried it. I can't have it be somebody's all-time favorite that I've never even tried. We are going to, so far I love it. I'm gonna put on some, I think I'm gonna use this this mini Tartelette palette that I also got. I don't know that I'm gonna love this as much as my Bobbi Brown though, but we're gonna try it anyway. Ooh, I like that. It's very beautiful. I need to blend it out a little. I got too much right there, huh? That's better. I like that. Just haven't had one this color before. They've always been so orange, and this one is just not as orange. It's like a really nice brown. I love it. And then I'm going to go in with, I have a new Tarte blush. It is a Tarte High Performance Naturals Amazonian Clay 12 Hour, and the color is Seduce. And this is the color. Looks really pretty. Well, I do like it. Blend it all together. I think it's pretty. All right, now we're gonna go into the highlight. I think that this is a matte. Oh, it's got a little bit of, it's like a satin. The middle one, we're not gonna use that one. We're gonna use this one up here. For our highlight. And now it really stuck good. I like it though. There, that's better. Okay, so now for the eyes, I'm going to use this palette again. Maybe I'll use that satiny one on this. Darken it up a little bit. I like to do that with when I'm putting on the bronzer, and then even if I'm going in with other colors, it just gives it like a base transition-y color. And then I can go in and darken up the crease with whatever I'm using. So now I'm going to go into, I'm going to try this middle one there, the satiny one. Let's see if it's enough. Oh yeah, I like that. Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay, that's it for that. For now, I'm going to go back in underneath after I put on my liner and lashes and all that stuff. So we're going to push line. So 2, push line. Put your little finger on the center of your eyelid and push, and your lash will curl up around your finger, and then you go like this and draw down between the lashes so that you don't have to get it on the waterline, but you get all that skin between your lashes covered. Next, we are going to try this what's it called? Brow microblade pen, microfilling pen from Benefit. And try it again. I saw a video on Instagram, I think. I mean, they were just trying to sell it, but I still want it to be, I want it to work. I really want it to work because theirs looked so good. I think I just don't have enough brow hairs. I'm not sure, but theirs looked really, really good, so we're gonna try it again. So they took and they went like this, and they just went up, 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 up. Just like that. They just kept going up. And they didn't do it that dark. And then when they got out here, they went down. Better. Much better than the last time I did it. I should probably stop before I mess it up. I like it this time. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I think they look pretty good today. I may have to keep this after all. And I had this in the bag to take back. And then I saw that video and thought, I definitely wasn't doing it right. So that's how you do it, guys. They look so much better than the last time. I'm still not totally in love with the way they look, but I'm going to practice. And we're going to figure it out. All right, I'm going to go off camera, put on my lashes, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I am back. And I have on my lashes. This is it. This is how I'm going to get my hair done. I put on this. This is another thing from Tarte. This is a lip oil. Let me read you what it is. It says Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. And this is the color Dragon Fruit, and it smells delicious. I can't smell it anymore, but when I put it on, it smelled very raspberry-y. that smelled great. And I love lip oils because they're kind of, I mean, look how dark that looks. But then you put it on and it's just like, it's perfect. I don't know, it's just perfect. Anyways, that's it. I will be back at the end of the day to let you know how it did, but so far, I am completely loving it. It's very lightweight. You can see a lot of my spots shining through, but that's okay because I wanted something a little lighter so that, like I said, when I got my hair washed, it wouldn't be so noticeable. So I will be back at the end of the day to let you know what I thought of this foundation and the other stuff I tried, but so far so good. And this is a good test when I'm going to get my hair done. I really do like it though. It's very natural, because like I said, I can see my spots through, which I don't love, but next time I might put concealer on the spots. Now that I know. Anyways, I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I got my hair done. No more gray roots. Looks great, doesn't it? I absolutely love this foundation. I think it is so pretty, and now I really like this eyebrow pencil thingy too from Benefit. See, I wasn't totally convinced yet, but I'm convinced now. I really like it. So I will be keeping it. If I can get it back out of here. Anyways, it's this microfilling pen from Benefit, and I really like it now that I've learned how to use it. So, and basically what you do is you turn the little 3-prong things, and then you just go straight up, 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 up until you get to about right there, and then you start going down. And I saw that done on TikTok with it was a different one of these that they were selling, a different brand, but it was like a close-up, and I watched them do it and it looked so good. I thought, okay, I'm gonna try one more time, and so I did, and I love it. So I'll be keeping that. And for our foundation, like I said, I am really loving it. It's got just enough glow to it and just enough coverage. Actually, it's not really enough coverage, but I don't know, I like it. And look, I got my hair done, and you can hardly even tell that she washed it off right there. And normally you can really tell whenever I wear like a full coverage one. Boy, you can tell the line where the makeup ends. I was gonna go over it with this, just with what's on here, but I didn't. And I think it looks great. I really definitely getting a thumbs up for this one. I know it's not new. I hope they don't discontinue it now that I've fallen in love with it, but I have one full bottle, and the one I'm gonna edit right now is that Halloween dinner video. So once you watch that, and you'll have already watched it, I hope you comment on it and share it on all your social medias and like it, and let's just get it to go viral so that we can get our numbers up, and that way I can keep doing makeup videos, and I'll do food videos too. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Leave me some comments of what you would like to see in the future. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!